This coin looks ordinary, but in 1941, it was silently preparing America for war. And almost no one talks about it. This is a 1941 Jefferson Nickel. 5 cents. No gold. No silver. No drama at first glance. But this coin was minted at the exact moment when the United States was standing on the edge of World War II, before Pearl Harbor, before ration cards, before America changed forever. And that's what makes this nickel dangerous, historically. In 1941, America wasn't officially at war yet. But behind closed doors, the country was already preparing. Factories were shifting. Metal supplies were being studied. Nickel, copper, and silver suddenly became strategic materials. And this coin, it was part of the last normal year before everything changed. Look closely at Jefferson's face. This design had only been around for 3 years. On the back, Monticello, Thomas Jefferson's home, a symbol of stability, democracy, and old American values. But here's the twist most people miss. 1941 nickels are the final peacetime nickels. Because starting in 1942, the US Mint changed everything. After Pearl Harbor, nickel was needed for armor and weapons. So the government made a radical decision. They removed most of the nickel from nickels. That's why later, wartime nickels contain silver and carry a giant mint mark above Monticello. But this coin, this exact piece, it escaped that change. It represents the last breath of normal America. This isn't about high price. This isn't about rarity hype. This is about historical timing. Coins like this were in people's pockets on the day the world changed, on the day radios announced Pearl Harbor, on the day America entered the war. You're not holding 5 cents. You're holding a frozen moment in history. Imagine this coin in 1941. A worker's pocket, a soldier's hand, a bus ticket, a newspaper stand. No one knew what was coming. And that's why this coin matters. Some coins scream their value. Others whisper their story. This one doesn't shine. It doesn't beg for attention. But it was there right before the world broke. If you enjoyed this hidden piece of history, hit subscribe and help this video reach 1,000 likes so we can uncover the next forgotten coin together.